Oh look, there's Jeff. What are we making today?
Falafels.
Ooh. Look at that fresh parsley. Yum. Recently got the Instapot and it has been coming in handy. Bought this new spread the other day. Red pepper and eggplant ajvar. Looks very tasty. Although I'm a little worried because it says it's hot and my tolerance for spicy food is not that high, so I'll keep you posted with the taste test. Well, I put a layer of the ajvar that we have here into my pita. And then I put some falafels that we just made, cucumber and tomato. Now time for the taste test.
Pretty good.
Let me try a little bit of the ajvar by itself. It's good. It's not too spicy at all. A very nice thick consistency. Acts as a good spread. The falafels are flavorful. Nice with the fresh parsley. Overall, I give this dish a 9 out of 10. Very tasty. Recipe is from the Moosewood Cookbook. We've made a lot of recipes from there before, and so far they've all been good, so make sure to check it out if you're looking for some good recipes. Jeff has already taken a bite. In for another. Tasty?
Yeah, the ajvar sauce is good.
On our way to go for a hike. It's a little gloomy out right now, but I think the sun's supposed to come out later, so hopefully that'll be nice, and hopefully we'll also get to see some of the wildflowers. Here we are at the trailhead. The sun's out. A cow over there. Which way are we going?
That way.
Okay, let's go. Could be a heron over there, not sure, but it is nice. How's it going?
Pretty good. We're on the downhill section, so it's a lot easier than going the other way.
Done with the hike, and now time for a picnic. 10 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.